great to be here at the SWAN 4th APAC Workshop in Sydney. Smart Water Networks Forum is a global nonprofit working to support water utilities across globally and regionally in their digital transformation in water, wastewater, and stormwater. Why we have created in-person workshops like this one is we really want to bring everyone in this water ecosystem together, from industry experts to water utilities, to really share their experiences, share their learnings together so that we can find the common challenges, common knowledges, opportunities together to really shape forward what other resources we have to bring or share across with one another.
This is about transfer of knowledge. It's about setting the scene for what's going to happen in digital water technology in 2026 and going forward past that. So this is a prime event for the whole of the APAC region. So it brings the best high-level thinking and current technology to play within the industry and within the water utility interface generally. This is where water technology rolls into water utility. This is the event where it happens.
We had a very exciting keynote this morning by Sydney Water. Also, we had great panels on different topics in the digital transition, how people and processes are very important in this type of change, that they are the key of the process. And also we have a great interactive roundtable session. So this is one of the very interesting ones we have with the interactive session, because everyone is just there choosing the topic of their interest. It's ranging from AI, digital twins, smart metering topics, change management, next generation in water industry. So great variety of topics like cybersecurity too. So that's like how the beauty of we're not here to just listen. We're here to, of course, have fun, talk about serious topics, but also share our experiences with one another.
Come here today to meet other fellow digital engineering specialists, where we can share knowledge, talk about what's going on in the industry, and also listen to our clients, listen to their issues and their challenges, and hopefully we can away from here with some great outcomes.
What I really enjoyed about today is meeting people with similar interests, similar challenges and opportunities, and just connecting together and learning and sharing our experiences. One of the key takeaways is that IT is the vehicle for change and it's not necessarily the driver.
It's been really good to come together with water industry professionals and share stories and learnings, and I've taken a lot away from it. I think the biggest thing for me is that no matter the size of the organisation, that the challenges are pretty similar across all organisations, and we're all working towards that kind of common goal around balancing investment with our community's requirements and wanting to do a good job at it. There aren't a lot of opportunities for regional utilities to connect with some of the metro water utilities, so it's been an invaluable opportunity. Yeah.
We're a sponsor of this event. Trackwater is heavily involved in cloud-based water quality monitoring, so we're very actively involved in SWAN and making sure that the communication process about water continues around the world. It's the commitment of the people here to make change, adoption of new technology, understanding the digital revolution as it's rolling into water, making use of new technology to improve better outcomes of water for people around the world. I just shared lunch with the director of the board of one of the major water utilities in Australia. Now, it's events like that that make things like that possible to do. So we can have a good open discussion at high-level management within a major water utility. Only at a SWAN venue can things like that occur.
There's some great roundtables and in-depth conversations about different types of technologies, and Autodesk actually can supply a lot of those answers with our technology. So we had a great opportunity to be here, and I've brought a big chunk of my team with me. We've had very large interactions with SWAN around the world. Everybody is actually here to solve the same sort of problems. We don't see a competitive streak like you do in the commercial area. They're actually very open and they're very willing to have conversations and basically tell us the problems that they're trying to solve and how that we can help solve them with them. So it's been fantastic just to see such openness in an industry so big.
I think the highlight for me was really having everyone of our water ecosystem who are trying to shape the smart water industry together. For those who are collaboratively coming from water utilities, industry experts, we're having researchers, young professionals, so it's been very exciting to see that. And I think like one thing really sticks with me, and everyone is mentioning that, is how collaborative we are in the water space, where there's no competition at all. And it's so exciting to see everyone being so invested to just share their experience, just collaborate. You can see just people smiling to each other, just sharing what their failure or changes that they're going through. So that's where it's very exciting to see.